Today we talk about how can you find your orders on your family album app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to find it on your app, you just go down here, you click here on store down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on my orders, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Indeed, you will find all orders history you have. So like you see here, I have no order history here, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list here on your family album app. So that's all you have to do, that's all, just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.